Hi everyone, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. So today in this video we're going to see vacancy from NGL Fine-Chem Ltd. So currently they are having 60 plus vacancies, and coming to the first opportunity for senior executive mechanical maintenance department and production department officer, senior officer or executive, and in quality assurance they are looking for officer or senior officer, similarly in quality control and production hydrogenation executive or senior executive. So if you are interested, you can share your WhatsApp CV to the WhatsApp number provided here, and as well as you can mail your profile to the mail IDs provided here, jobs at the rate of ng. So here you can see jobs at the rate of nglfinechem.com or careers at the rate of nglfinechem.com. So please utilize this opportunity for regular job updates like this. You can account to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert, where you can get all the job related information timely manner. So please utilize this opportunity and utilize our channel benefits. Thank you.